Welcome back guys, Jai Shri Ram. So in today's session we are going to talk about what is BOS and CHOCH. The abbreviation for BOS is break of structure and the abbreviation for CHOCH is change in character, change of character to be precise. Okay, so let me draw an uptrend and as well as a downtrend. So based on my previous video, you guys should be familiar of what is an uptrend and what is an downtrend. So let me draw an uptrend right now. Okay, so this is our textbook uptrend that I have drawn. So as I have explained in the previous video, we have higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Okay, so when do we call it as BOS? That is break of structure. That is when the market is moving in the same direction of the trend. So here the trend that we have is uptrend. Okay, and the market it's moving up, so the BOS should happen towards upside. So what I'm trying to tell here is, so we have our previous high, higher high, this is our higher low. So when the market breaks the previous high, then it is called a BOS, right? So then it is called a BOS, break of structure. So and now again the market from a high comes down to form a low, right? So and from this low again it tries to form another higher high. So at that time what happens is, when it breaks the previous high, it is called break of structure. Okay, the similar way, the third time it has come to form a low, and for the third time it is breaking the previous high. This is our third break of structure. Okay, it's simple guys. The break of structure is the break of the previous high in the same direction of the trend. When I tell the same direction of the trend, we have uptrend here and we are breaking the previous high. So it is a BOS. So the same thing, now if I am going to draw for a downtrend, it is going to look something like this. We have higher low, lower low, higher low, lower low, higher low and lower low. If you have to mark a BOS, then the previous low has to be broken. So this is our BOS, BOS number 1. Okay, so now the second BOS will be here when the previous low was broken. That is our second BOS, and the third BOS is this one. Okay, so the previous low was taken out and the price fell down, I mean the price came lower. Okay, so we are going to tell that the market is in uptrend until and unless we are having a BOS on the higher side. Okay, and on the same way we are going to tell the market is in downtrend only when we have BOS on lower side. Okay, so we need to have BOS to confirm and also to tell that okay, it is going to continue in the uptrend. So what I'm trying to tell is, when we have this first BOS, that is the price, when we have this first BOS and the price came from low to break the previous high, we know that okay, the price has taken the previous high. Now it will form a higher low somewhere between the previous low and the current high. Though, so the price will somewhere form the higher low. We have to potentially find that, and that is what we are supposed to do. So when we find a potential, a region that okay, at this point the price will form a low, then what we can expect is it is going to break the previous high, I mean the current high, then it will form a new high. So this is the concept of our uptrend. Okay, so now since again now the previous high is taken out, so we will predict somewhere some price range where the low can be formed, and what we can expect is, we can expect the previous high or the current high to be taken out like this. Okay, so it comes down and it takes. So this is the confirmation of uptrend. Okay, what if we have like okay, BOS and we formed a low and the price is somewhere like this. Okay, and now is it a uptrend? Yes. Okay, until when? It is a uptrend until this previous low breaks. Okay, so now this uptrend that I have drawn, we have two possibilities. Either the price can go up breaking the previous high, or the price can come down breaking the previous low. Okay, so in our first scenario where the price breaks above, then we mark this line and we call it as BOS, right? So on the same way, if the price comes down and takes the previous low, then it is called as CHOCH. Yeah, you guessed it right. So then it is called as CHOCH because now we have broken the previous higher low. Okay, what is the general notion of uptrend? We should have higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Okay, so when the market went up, it should have made a higher high and formed a higher low. It is now unable to form a higher low because it has broken the previous low, and it is potentially going to form a lower low, not a higher low, a lower low. So now what we can do is we can consider this point as lower high. This will be our potential lower low, and now what price can do is it will go up again and it will come down. Now what we have is BOS because we already have CHOCH and we know that it is kind of leaping into downtrend, and when the price has taken the previous low, it is called BOS. Okay, so now if we have to tell that the market is in uptrend, it has to at least make BOS 2 times. Okay, then it is going to be a pakka uptrend, like you have like 100% confirmation that the market is uptrend. So you need to have this, okay, 2 times BOS. Okay, then only you can tell the market is in uptrend. I mean, yeah, we can based on this BOS we can tell, okay, it is trying to go up and it might form a potential lower low. That is correct, but if we have to like 100% tell that the market is in uptrend, then we have to have 2 BOS. Okay, so let me continue this price action. So we have like series of higher high, higher lows, and now what happens is the price fails to break above the previous high, does something like this and comes down. So as I already told you, this is a CHOCH. We have a change of character. What is the changing thing that is happening? The uptrend is kind of shifting to have a downtrend. Okay, so now we have a CHOCH. This will be our potential higher low, and this will be our potential lower low. And if the price does this once again, then it is a confirmed downtrend. Okay, then it is a confirmed downtrend. So we have 1 and 2. Okay, so we have 2 times break of structure. I mean, this is also a break of structure, but also called CHOCH because it at this break the market tried to change its character, and when we have the second break, then it is a confirmed downtrend. Okay, so then again the price continues, and again the price, if it has to move to uptrend, then it should have 1 CHOCH and 1 BOS to call it as a confirmed uptrend. Okay, so this is all about our CHOCH and BOS, guys. Please do consider for like, share and subscribe. Jai Shri Ram, guys.